And here it is, our new G310R, the entry-level naked bike from BMW Motorrad, featuring the RDNA for all to see. Lightness, precision, and purest riding response ensure a high level of riding fun at all times, whether in the urban jungle or out on the country roads. And in the style of the S1000R, the G310R also stands out thanks to its sporty, powerful Roadster design. And now I'm pleased to welcome Max Renko, who will give us even more detailed insights as the product manager responsible for these two new naked bikes.
Roadsters, it's not about crushing your opponent on the racetrack. It's about leaving an impression on yourself and leaving an impression on others. Well, as you can clearly see, the new G310R has really the same qualities, the same intuitive rider-motorcycle connection that define our complete dynamic Roadster lineup. It now features an electronic throttle, which means you get even more precision and modulation when doing wheelies, and also you can now take off without giving it any additional throttle just by releasing the clutch. For better modulation, we now have an adjustable brake lever. In addition, the new G310R now features an anti-hopping clutch for safer riding and for easier drifts. Also, what you get is full LED lights, including our iconic daylight riding lights, so it's clearly recognizable as a member of our Roadster lineup. Alex, come and tell us more about the design.
Thanks, Max. Let's talk about the design of our new 310. Yes, we refreshed our lively little Roadster to a new stage in terms of design. And with its inviting character to a new stage, as I said. So that means we made a design more straightforward, more bold than before. And in these circumstances, of course, we changed a bunch of plastic parts, such as these headlight cover, the tank cover, as well as the side fairing. From the beginning on, it was a main goal of us to increase the value of the overall design by reducing the black grain plastic and increasing the painted surfaces. And this is what you can see pretty well from the side view. And in these circumstances, of course, have a note of that wonderful color combination with its bold graphic and this kick-ass graphic, so to speak, and this highlighted frame, all that lifts this visual balance a lot and brings this visual center of gravity much more forward to the front wheel. In these circumstances, please have a note also on this wonderful headlight unit. This is now a full LED headlight unit with a so-called C-shaped day running light. So all that features, all that details brings this little bike more to the grown-up side. And I think now we can say this bike is now the right toy.